Oh, we got a roller. We got a roller.
Your attention, please.
So I know we can't really take you on Space Mountain. We all know it's quite dark, and I'm not gonna jeopardize the camera or my phone, but we can ride the Matterhorn together. This is so hard. Oh, this is so hard to do. Trying to film with the phone, hold the camera without losing everything. Okay, nice and calm. Oh, I take that back. There we go. Oh, wet. Oh, something smells good. Woo-wee. Oh no. Okay. Okay. Oh boy. Oh, we're gonna get wet. Oh, okay. Okay. I don't understand how hard that is. Trying to hold the camera while holding this camera. That wasn't easy. And she's back there filming for Instagram. So you guys have probably already seen that. But that was probably one of the most difficult rides on the Matterhorn I've ever experienced. So it's nice to see the teacups open. Since last time it was pretty much closed the entire weekend we were here because of the rain. So it's nice to see that it's open. No, we didn't ride it last time. Because it rained Saturday morning and so it was closed. Okay, we might have ridden it Saturday night last time. I don't know. We'll have to go back and look, but I'm pretty sure we didn't. But anyways, it's still nice to see it open because I know Sunday it was closed the entire day. But we are off to Haunted Mansion, I believe it is. We just got Fast Pass. It's not too crowded. I mean, you can see, it's decently crowded, but the lines themselves aren't that bad. Haunted Mansion was still a 5-minute wait, but we got a Fast Pass just in case by the time we get over there. So we're headed to Haunted Mansion, but I had to check this out and I want to use the nice camera. I haven't really used it yet, so let's just watch the teacups take off here before we head over to New Orleans Square. Soon, this area will be completely filled with people. I mean, it's going to be filled to the brim come May 31st. Well, not technically. What are you doing? What is
It's a paper straw.
Oh, okay. It's a paper straw. Okay, back to what I was saying. Now that the date has been announced, May 31st, we all know this is going to be packed. But like Ashley said, oh, we got a roller. We got a roller. But like Ashley mentioned last night, since it's a reservation, since reservation only come May 31st, will it be as crowded as we all think it is? Or will it in fact be more busy and more chaotic come June 23rd when it is open to the public? So that is yet to be seen. We will have to wait to find out. But this whole area is going to be absolutely nuts. That first day, May 31st. I mean, come May, it's all gonna be full, no matter what we're doing. Since we are headed over to Haunted Mansion, we stopped in the store really quick. I have some questions. We're in Disneyland, right? I've been dying to meet you. We've seen all those shirts. Isn't that Magic Kingdom's Haunted Mansion? Okay, so we finally made it over to Haunted Mansion. I'm going to attempt to film, but I have a different lens this time around. I don't have the lower aperture lens. So we're gonna try. We're gonna see. We'll just see how it comes out. I mean, a little bit's better than nothing, right?
Cadaverous pallor betrays an aura of foreboding, almost as though you sense a disquieting metamorphosis. Is this haunted room actually stretching? Or is it your imagination? And consider this dismaying observation. This chamber has no windows and no doors. Which offers you this chilling challenge to find a way out. Of course, there's always my way. I didn't mean to frighten you prematurely.
So I told you we tried to film the Haunted Mansion. We all know it's very difficult, but at least we got the stretching room, which is always fun. But we're on the train. We're gonna take this to Main Street because actually, you want to show them what you got and actually show them? We got a zipper cup that we need to put back in our locker because, yeah, she just needs the other half now. But we're gonna stop at Main Street, hit the lockers, and then we'll stumble back over here to Frontierland for Big Thunder Mountain. Okay, I know I didn't film a lot of the train or any of it at all, but I have a reason for that, and it brings up a little topic, and I just want to get your quick opinion before we head into Disneyna and check out some of the Dumbo exhibit. What is with space? People and just space. I'm someone who likes, oh, of course, I start talking and the Dapper Dans are coming. Someone make this quick. I like space. I like my space, but give me 4 or 5 inches. I don't need 10 feet, and I don't want you sitting in my lap. And that's the reason I really couldn't vlog on the train, is because everybody was either jam-packed or super spread out, and our car or our row we drew the short end of the stick. So give me my space. But like I said, 4 or 5 inches and I'm happy. So we are going to head into Dumbo, check out the exhibit. We're gonna head into Disneyna because that's my favorite store. But I think we're gonna get a quick little show, maybe. No, it looks like they're walking away. The Dapper Dans just emptied out. But, okay, we're gonna head into the stores and check some things out. Okay, really quickly, we're inside of the Opera House at Great Moments with Mr. Lincoln. This is the first time I've ever seen anything but Mr. Lincoln in the Opera House. They're showing an exclusive sneak peek of Dumbo. So we're gonna check this out. I've already been told that I can't film any of it, but I had to get on and share it because this is, to my knowledge, I've never heard of them doing anything but great moments in here. So I'm a little weirded out. But we'll see you out in the lobby where they have a Dumbo statue, a whole bunch of artwork, and we'll definitely go check that out. Check that out. They're closing the doors, so I gotta go. If you're wearing hats or glasses. Sorry, I leave mine on.